In this video, we will explain how to create and manage test cases. Test cases define the steps and conditions to verify a feature works as expected. They help ensure a consistent and repeatable testing process. Test cases are organized in suites and sections. Suites act as folders, and sections serve as subfolders. This structure helps QA teams organize test cases into clear, logical groups. Let's go through the process of creating a test case step by step. Start by clicking Create Test Case button. Enter the test case name in the first text field. Select the suite and section where the test case will be created. Choose a section under the selected suite. Select a type from the drop-down to classify this test case. Set the estimated time needed for this test. This helps teams measure efficiency. To ensure testing is consistent and repeatable, create step-by-step instructions. This provides QA teams with all the necessary data to perform testing effectively. Click Add First Step button to begin adding test steps. For each step, describe the action and the expected result. Add Next Step. Describe the preconditions required before executing the test. Once all necessary data is entered, click the Save button to store your completed test case. Navigate to all test cases to view and manage the complete list. From here, test cases can be added, edited, or deleted. The table can be filtered to match specific needs. Open the View panel to see case details. In this panel, you can view all test case details, include instructions, preconditions, and other details required to complete testing. The test case form can be fully customized with custom fields to match your exact workflow. Organize and manage your testing process in a predictable and repeatable way with Tuskr's modern, easy-to-use test case management solution. Thank you for watching.